Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will be teaching you Kharaharapriya Jathiswaram. So first let's discuss the Raga Lakshana of Kharaharapriya. Kharaharapriya is a 22nd Melakarta Raga and there are not many, other points are not there. Let's focus on the Swarasthanas of Kharaharapriya. Shadja, Chadra Shuddha Rishabha, Sadharana Gandhara, Shuddha Madhyama, Panjama, Chaturshruti Daivada and Kaishiki Nishata. But there is something you should know when you are learning the Arohana and Avarohana. Already people sing like this, like maintaining Rishabha and Daivada as a constant note without any usage. I'll show you that. Sa Ri Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa and Avarohana Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. People sing like that, but I prefer to give usage for Rishabha and Daivada. Gamaga only, Gamaga. Watch, this is how it should be. Sa, play note. Re. It's a Gamaga, but it has got a limitation. It cannot go, it cannot exceed Gandhara's position. So we'll be starting from Shadja. Sa, Ga, Re. From Shadja, moving up to Gandhara and coming to Rishabha, resting there. Sa, Ga, Re, Re. That's a Gamaga. Possible, right? Possible. Then coming to Gandhara, we are giving a double slide. Riga, Riga, Ga. Okay? Then Madhyama plain. For the time being, it's plain. Ma, then Pa plain. Daivada same as Rishabha. Pa, Ni, Da, Da. Gamaga. Pa, Ni, Da, Da. Remember, limitation is there. Then Nishada, like in the Gandhara. Ni, double slide from Daivada. Da, Ni, Da, Ni. That's it. Sa, let's combine. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. And I feel like this is more elegant. Okay, let's move on to the Avarohana. Avarohana, we are starting with the Shadja. Sa. It can be either a slide from Nishada, Nisa, or Dasa. I think Daivada, the slide from Daivada will be more appealing. Dasa, Sa, Nishada, double slide, Ni, Sani, 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 Ni, Da, Pa, Ni, Da, Pa. That's a combination of step down as well as step up. Ni, Da, Pa, Da, Ni. Ni, Da, Pa, Da. Ni, Da is step down, Pa, Da is step up. And after that, when you're completing that usage, give a throw to Nishada. Ni, Da, Pa, Da, Ni. Throw is just a touch, so no problem. Da, Pa, Panchama plain. Madhyama. Ma, Ga, Ma, Sa, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ma, Da. Sa, Pa, Ma is Gamaga. Pa, Ma, Sa, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ma. It's a step down. And the last moment, we are throwing it to Daivada. Sa, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ma, Da. Ma, Ma. That's the usage. Ga, Gandhara, I'm giving a step down from Panjama. Pa, Ma, Ga, Ga. Then Rishabha, exactly like in Daivada. Ni, Da, Pa, Da, Ni. Here, Gari, Sa, Ri, Ga. Gari, step down. Sa, Ri, step up. Ga, throw. We are throwing that to Rishabha to Gandhara. Gari, Sa, Ri, Ga. Ri, Sa. As always, plain note. One stretch. Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. Or if possible, you can give a step down, combination of step down, only combination of step down for Rishabha. Like it will be like this. Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa, Re, Sa, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. Like that also you can sing. Anyway, the Arohana and Avarohana of Kharaharapriya goes like this. sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Okay. This Jathiswaram is having one Pallavi, having 4 Sangadis and 5 Charanams. That's the basic structure of this one. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you Pallavi and the first Charana. Okay, let's zoom in. Let me sing the first one. Ma ga re ni sa da ni sa re ga. Let's move in detail. Starting Madhyam is having 5 Durgams. Ma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ga. Here we are giving a gamaga for Gandhara. Re ma ga are the answaras. Ga re. Rishabha is having a hammering down. Re sari re then ni re ga ni. That's a gamaga of Nishada. Ni sa. That's a swing. Sa ni sa ni sa are the answers. Then da ni sa re ga. The Ayurveda is being considered as a plain note here. The Nishada is having a gamaga. Da sa ni sa. Shadja plain. Rishabha plain. Re ga. Gandhara again we are giving that. That's the starting that gamaga. Re ma ga here again. In one stretch it will be ma ga re ni sa da ni sa re ga. You should sing it twice as per the order of singing. Then moving to the second Sangati, ma there ma ga pa pa ma. Those are the answers of Madhyama. Ma ga pa pa ma ga ma ga ma re ma ga ma re ma ga ma re ma ga re. Rishabha, like in the first hammer. Re sa re ni ga ma ga re ga ni sa. Oh, shadja sa here. Like we did in Madhyama, ma ga pa pa ma here, sa ni re sa, sa ni re sa, sa ni re sa, sa ni re sa, yeah, sa. Then ni sa re ga here, ni sa. Nishada is having a slide from Shadja, sa ni sa. Rishabha is having a gamaga, like I explained in the Arohana, sagari ni sa re. Sariga. Shadja is having a slide from Rishabha. Risa. Sa. Re. Rishabha plain. Ga. Here Gandhara is having gamaga. Re maga. Ni sa re. Sariga. Riga. Rishabha Gandhara plain note. The last Rishabha and Gandhara are just plain notes. In one stretch. The second Sangha should be ma ga re ni sa. Ni sa re ga. That's it. Re ga. For the last Rishabha, I think you're going to give a slide from Gandhara. Gari, re ga. That's also possible. Let me sing that once again. Ma ga re ni sa. Ni sa re ga. Moving to the third Sangati. Madhyam is having a slide. No, it's a swing. Ma, ga, ma. Those are the Ansuras. Ma, ga. Gandhara is a repetition. Ga, re, ni, sa. All those swaras are just the repetition of the second. No, not the second. Shadja is the repetition of the first Sangati. Anyway, let me explain. Ga, ma. That is ma, ga, ma. Then ga. Ma ga ma re ma ga ga re sari re ni re ga ni sa ni sa. Then Re ga re sa ni da ni sa re ga. Here re ga. Rishabha playing. Ga. Gandhar is having a step down from Madhyama. Re ma ga. Re ga. Re sa. Or you should consider as a pull off. Pull off will be really faster than step down. Re ga. Re ga. Re ma ga. Re ga. That's the speed. Pull off. Re ga re sa. Re ga re sa. Re ga re sa. Then Rishabha and Shadja play. Re ga re sa. Then neither. Either. No, it's a combination step down. Rizani. So, Rizani, ni. Okay. Re ga re sa neither. Neither. Dayuda play. Ni sa. Nishad is having gamaga. Dasani Ardi and Suras. Re ga re sa neither. Ni sa. Re ga. Last Gandhara having gamaga. Re maga Ardi and Suras. Let me sing that in one stretch. Ma ga ri ni sa re ga re sa ni da ni sa re ga. Okay. Moving on to the fourth one, the last one. Ma. Madhyama is having a swing, not like in the third Sangati. It starts from Madhyama, moving all the way down to Shadja, then bringing up to Madhyama. Ma sa ma. And at the very last moment, give a throw to Panjama. Ma sa ma pa ma ga ri. That's ga ma pa ma ga. Those are the instruments of Gandhara. Ga Re gari sari. Re gari sari are the instruments of Rishabha. Ni. Nishad is just a copy. First, second, third, everyone is just a simple thing. Re gari, that's a gamak of Nishad, that's it. Ni. Then here, sa. Remember, in the second Sangati, I taught you to sing sa, ni, re, sa. Here, in the fourth Sangati, it will be sa, ni, ga, re, sa. Half step, you should raise it. Sa, ni, ga, re, sa. Then, ma, ga, re, sa, ni, da, ni, sa, re, ga. Here, ma. Madhyama is being thrown to Panjama. Ma, ba, ma, ga, re, sa, ma. Madhyama is being thrown to Panjama. Gandhar is having a pull off from Madhyama. Maba, maga, maga, resa, plain, neither. Nishada, like in the previous song, the third song, Rizani, neither, nisa, riga. That's also just a repetition. Nishada is having a gamaga, the sunny, ni, sa, shaja plain, ri, rashaba plain, ga, ri, maga are the aniswaras of Gandhar, that's a gamaga. In one stretch, the fourth song, they should be ma, ga, ri, ni, sa, ma, ga, ri, sa, ni, da, ni, sa, ri, ga. That's the fourth Sangati. Moving on to the first Charanam. First Charanam is also starting from Madhyama. Ma, ga, ri, ma, ga, only two dirgham. Ma, ga, ri, ga, ri, ma, ga, ri. Rishabha playing. Ma, ga, ri, pa, ma, ga, ri, pa, ma, ga, ri. Okay, Madhyama, okay. Panchama playing. Madhyama, give us like pa, ma, ga, ri, pa, ma, ga, ri. 1 minute. Ma, ga, ri, pa, ma, ga, ri. Okay, here. Pa, ma, Madhyama, like I said, slide from Panchama. Gandhar is having a double slide. Maga, ga, ri. Rishabha play. Ma, ga, ri, pa, ma, ga, ri. Then, pa, da, ni. Panchama play, Daivada play. Nishad is having a slide from Shadja. Pa, da, ni. Pa, da, ni, pa, da, pa. There, we are giving a gamaga for Daivada. Pa, ri, da, like that. Pa, da, ni, pa, da, pa. Last Panchama is having a dirgha, give a harmonizer, pa, ma, pa, like that. Pa, da, ni, pa, da, pa, ma, ga. Madhyama playing, Gandhar is having a slide from Madhyama. Ma, ga, pa, ma, ga, ma, pa ma. From there Gandhara, slide up to Panchama. Ga pa pa ma ga. Madhyam is having slide from Panchama. Gandhara is having slide from Madhyama. Pa ma ga ma ma ma. Oh, give a throw to Nishata. Madhyama is being thrown to Nishata. Ma ni ma ma. Then Gandhara is having a combination of Anuswaras there. Ma gari gari pa ma ma gari pa ma ma gari ga pa ma ma ga ri. Rashaba plain. Ga ri ni. Nishad is having a gamaga like in all those 4 sangadis of Pallavi. Ni, like that. Ga ri ni sa ri ga. Shadja is having a hammering. Sa ni sa ri ga. Rashaba playing. Gandhara is having a gamaga ri maga. Let me sing the whole thing in one stretch. Ma ga ri pa ma ga ri pa da ni pa da pa ma ga ma ga ri ni sa ri ga. When you are singing, you should increase the speed. This is only the teaching speed. Learning speed. Performing speed is different. Ma ga ri pa ma ga ri pa da ni pa da pa ma ga ma ga ri ni sa ri ga ma. You should connect that with the 4th Sangati. Ma ga ri ni sa ma ga ri sa ni sa ri ga. So that's the end of this tutorial. We will see again in my 2nd and 3rd part of this tutorial. Yeah, I hope this one was a really beneficial one for you all. Keep on practicing, and if you have got any comments or opinions, you can post them. I'll be replying to that as soon as I get to know of these notifications. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye bye.